Hi, I just wanted to check in, see how everyone's doing, and also share some tips that I have on organizing your cleaning supplies. This is what you'll find under our kitchen sink. We have countertop and appliance cleaning supplies here. We have dish and other generic cleaning supplies here. I have them labeled clearly and they are in a durable clear bin found at the Container Store. And then I have sponges and gloves here for dishwashing. In our hall linen closet, you'll find lots of pretty bins, also found at the Container Store. These are rags that we use, and then these are our Norwex cloths that we use. It just requires water, so we love using our Norwex. We have our Dyson vacuum in here, and then this is our Elfa door rack that holds all the vacuum attachments. So that's the primary areas where we store our cleaning supplies. We also have our Norwex mop in here and our dust buster. So those are just a few quick pointers that I have for organizing your cleaning supplies. If you want me to take a look at your situation and see if I have some ideas that are specific for you and your family, feel free to schedule a free virtual consultation with me. You can visit piecesintoplace.com and schedule right online. Otherwise, you can message me on here. Thanks.